Hey everyone, Nick Altimore here, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to use our latest tool, SirTracksALot, where you can find out where you're being mentioned in AI. I'm going to be walking you through how to set up tracking campaigns, navigate the dashboard, and quickly see exactly where your brand or your websites are being mentioned in your favorite LLMs like ChatGPT or Google AI overviews. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll arrive at SirTracksALot.co, where you can check out the features, pricing, which is very straightforward, just a monthly fee for discounted credits. Don't worry, if you run out of those credits in the month, you can purchase more and they don't expire. Jumping right in, you'll click the Get Started button. And here you'll be prompted to use our LLM Mentions Tracker, which is the first tool that I'm going to showcase. Everybody can come in, whether you are paying for an account or not, and check out Shopify.com and get some information on where they're being mentioned. Check out AI Overview, ChatGPT. And diving right in, you'll be able to see total mentions currently showing here in the dashboard, what platform, and the average AI volume that they're getting on a monthly basis. From there, you can actually look through all these particular queries, how many monthly searches they're getting, trends over time visualized here in the graph, how many sources are mentioned, etc. Then you can actually click in here and check out exactly what the AI answer is, as well as the cited sources, as well as the monthly search volume over time for those particular queries. Very, very useful tool here. Also available in SirTracksALot is the AI keyword lookup, where you can check out AI search volume for any particular keyword. Here, you'll just come in, you can put up to 700 keywords in here. We'll just go with best CRM software, separated by commas, best CRM software for SEO. You can change the geographic region, you can change the language, and then go ahead and click search. From here, it's going to tell you you've got two keywords, the total AI volume for those keywords, average AI volume for the entire set of keywords, and which one is the top. Here you'll see a trend over time visualized in the graph. Share tells you whether this is queried very often or not. AI volume per month. And then you can click here and see exact volumes across months as well, which again is visualized here. So very useful tool when you're trying to pick out what queries you want to start targeting and go after. Also in SirTracksALot, you'll find our custom tracker, which will track visibility across specific projects in AI overviews. We'll start with creating a new tracker. We'll just go ahead and go with Shopify here. You'll be prompted to add in keywords here. You can add up to 50. And then in the interest of saving your credits, you can check keyword intent and make sure it's something that actually will bring back brand mentions. Checking. Looks like we've got one here that it says is informational, rarely cited, and you can convert that to commercial intent on the fly if you want, or you can leave it as is if you prefer. I'll go ahead and convert it, then I'll continue. I'm prompted to check which LLMs I want to, see if I'm being mentioned in. You can use live web search or models that are from training data. Now, live is going to be way more accurate, but it's going to cost you more credits as well. So depends on how often you're using it, and how big the queries are that you're doing. Both models give back a ton of data either way. And then you can, of course, check frequency every 48 hours all the way to every 30 days and create your tracker. Here, it'll start running. And once it's done, it will look like this, where it will be active, automatically run for you at your predetermined option, which was 30 days for us. And you can force a run at any given time if you want to do that. Share it with the client, and of course, view it. Here, it'll start plotting a graph over time that shows either your ascension or decline in AI mentions for these particular queries. And then it gives you an idea of where you're being found, which looks like they're being found everywhere. Of course, X's will be in certain areas if you're not found. And then you can, of course, check out the run log, which every month will give you a insane amount of data on which query is coming back, where you're mentioned or who's mentioned, etc. So a lot of digestible advice here within this tool. And as you let it go further, of course, more information there to help you get a view on what's going on. And that showcases our SirTracksALot. Hope it's useful to you. We'll see you on the next one.